Other they can more justice also be a passport on government and passport yes and a passport and they can a passport IPOB and passport yes and good support kanko on your man eche kuchis we are against me. Man again into of man again into. I have said it before and I'm still saying it again. Until the government make a peace with the people, there will be no peace.
After I finish watching this particular video, after I finish listening to this our brother, I have come to realize that everything that is happening right now in Biafra land was caused by the government of Nigeria. The Nigerian government knows what they are doing, but some of our Igbo brothers and sisters are still supporting them, hailing them, telling them that they are doing good job. But let me remind you, let me tell you, if you people allowed Nigeria government, Nigeria soldiers and Fulani people, Fulani Janjaweed, to start killing our honorable commanders, my brother, it will be very, very difficult for us to defend ourselves. Because if they finish killing our soldier, who do we think that will come and rescue you? My fellow Biafrans, we need to rise up. We need to be wise and stop all those nonsense. Because
okay, greetings my people. My name is still Justice Ozobi. I'm like can say here Igbo because ihe gbasara anyị ihe gbasara anyị wabu ụmụazị Igbo. Nke mbụ bụ that na o nwere ihe nchọrọ ịkọwala ụmụazị Igbo. Imana recently other they can more Justice Ozobi and passport on government and passport yes and a passport and they can a passport IPOB and passport yes and good support kanko on your man eche kuchis we are against me. Man again into of man again into. I have said it before and I'm still saying it again. Until the government make a peace with the people, there will be no peace. Let me tell you my little experience somewhere. When we did the Igbo youth movement, a lot of the youths started coming to me. Most of them started coming to me like they will chat to you. See someone or chat like saying Yacheba, Biafran army, Biafran liberation army. I see a biko no come contact Ejabia, a man who case abandon be a biko. Gaga. I know what a mother chat like naturally but unknown government. If Jonia or come on a DSS can come for him for this or any naturally ha. See biko no kwa no kwabum na jadria biko porum. You will see someone or chat going different things. Even as I speak to you, when they knock at a way when I came on, what snatches is solutum, naturally jack have for mama security and everything on watch fanket. Hamarakas which me one hajeme, man, let no one call my name. Manon we can check one will fry con chikorogi. And one guy every time I chat, I'm naturally by ESN, naturally bonungo men, and second kitchen by some nungo men, naturally men cabo half undani, haba. Unless you can give you an amount taking on nungo men, give plenty of man. Or some okay, Niana be with 4 friends here, which means had the 5. And see okay. And see okay, I'm not about Onicha. Chebem Nonicha, Kebayanofu. And a book appointments, na Mr. Beast. Nilu Mr. Beast, never Yanofu. So olu that day mona fa kwesi on Sunday obona mengo for Monday mpoze fa na for mona fa mechefo on Monday before mbia hezugo had the mother 5 hezugo I gathered them because I want to know if na prompt mad when we have na for CS nature region. I want to know what is giving them such morale. I want to know what ideology they have and I don't have. That's what is giving them mind. I want to know. We got that mother 5 I was saying na because now more justice they were like, hey, justice and all that. They were happy. Hajubazem the process, Keka is better among men and all that. You go to Fakiana, because Nyana Buga, because on the main market, because of Afata, Magon. Very 5 vibrant young men. You see them. I look at them. Unless you phone easy boy, do you know that the Nigerian government can come for you nearby Biafran and mobile ESN, mobile non government? DSS can come for you and they can track you and kill you. Also, yes, Nyama, and he's ready to die. Nah, I will go now. And see because of Biafra. Also, not even because of Biafra. Mokia Koromi, Mbagabenti of Ma, Kefun Biki Wed in the Mad Lobby. Also, now 2011, Ogeyade, about 20 years then. Sas Galabefa Olympia. SARS can now go to Befa Olympia. His uncle went to SARS, Ijebero, 1 year okay. SARS Jide Konyo, or some up to today, whatever had them to Hamuram. How much is Mayberry and perhaps SARS the night and block one Jimpa? Only had the show, now had your SARS, also na SARS warrior on Tuesday, had your on Wednesday, SARS property, Hana Hapacha, but on Friday, 1 year okay, Bia, Abuku 1 year okay, Hanu had natched the next Monday, SARS and was in half Londa. Each time the guy cheteria or Malaysia and he wants somebody an opportunity or you bolobo. Obloma in the key the way when they are being made, how cho enemies if you have go obo. One can buy Sasia. They would like to retaliate. Yeah, him refer. And so now there is each cheaper or some years. Nyan the men go there. Now we are the lady to die. Only if you ever back on say knows goes go. Chineke me could have also someone a mother 5 and so and cause give me go and go to buy. Osimo ni sino wolo not just na ya ne mumazibu I go too much na nwa chori men kan men call say okay because of ya ne mumazibu I go too much ki you chi sacrifice ndege Osimo ni siki akorom na fi henda mi meria na 2014 ya na gwa gina na eme this year 2026 osim na fi henda mi meria na bulu ye jona akọ na nwoku ya mere ya na gafe n'ụzọ ọbụna ndami o nwere operation ha bịa ọbụna ya na zakọ that is it ndami naria phone ye tiche ihe buri eje barak buwe canopy ono lo sinya no complete 1 month for ndebe ha amarele ni ano na barak e bia belu o de ka skeleton we pita so no na achokwa no opportunity oju obugwala ndo obo if mentality ihe change the mindset of people gebe kwanti the third person seven that now ndami biara befa na 2024 cause not 2025 amarom sin ha na true unknown government and all that but have sui before no name boom me up to that mo le petali that is lady ono bona boom me na the lady e bobolobo obo madu na to if mentality e badaranda and hana say je bro friends you can imagine the kind of anger the menda the 51 be what I'm saying that na during time of operation python dance now uncle yaso we jebe meet na ken na ndekam one year woke get or yaso joku the same meeting sim na hana bo ebu na tar hanozu for that reason young one we the lady to fight Nigeria no go swedi him no mu na bona o yi ndi bai na agotaro maka ndị na-ekwu okwu onongomen gent onongomen agaghị ejiwu ike aka wee stop onongomen. You can imagine those people, the lady join onongomen. Do you know what happened? We say okay, I'm going to contact. You contact I form by onongomen or by ESM or by Biafran Liberation Army. I'm not going to has let us form our own. What? Let us form our own. They are ready to kill Nigerians. Oh, police will buy me half for Nigeria. I had ready to the person. More for the anger in them. I started preaching to them. The first person can ever go never. Or well, I am check everyone can ever go. 150 years, no problem. In the Bible, now, he broke a jabos adobe, Geneke Yako. He had Bataro, they can the can, understand the kind of brainwash in the mud, who brainwash anybody. He had Bataro, they can the kind of brainwash in the mud. Already accumulated anger in them, and actual an opportunity. Who will lead the floor or in the mother chop? Who will lead the floor? Oboro that now, he be a rich man, Jidego. Or when your mother, I work at a prosperity key, you can never hear the video now from a delicate family. I'm a prosperity. I'm more than the prosperity. Get the key, I will know what on a whatever. Can be a son of your John Jebel. Therefore, more on that thing, only the reno. And that number so mean what the Henry, only the reno, the video will listen to you. Oh, now, Kuwadi. Those who be feeling the kind of brainwash, I brought brainwashing called brainwash. Those who will go anger, will go pains in them, accumulated by government, caused by the government. I'm you so carry so many of you no Europe, Nebu no. Now one chanta can you see now drum online. Now cost so on can dala bari. I'm on Igbo land. I'm on southeast. I'm on southeast. I'm from state to state. I'm for the anger in youth. No more personal. If I want, I can create an own government income. Do you know? Do you know if I want to commit a crime, I can also create my own group? Do you know? How possible is that? Because now when people already having such mindset, there are people already ready to die because of Yemen and Nigeria. Because of Yemen and Nigeria. Then you think that the best, easiest solution is to start killing them. What will make you happen? Currently in Igbo land, I won't get any police can use Hey, I went to what they call Tiger Base. A commandant na Tiger Base, I just said to run bail. Bail again 500,000. A commandant possibly ordinary officer caution yourself, stop this. Na one crime in that committee, just na Hanaganons that we arrested as a suspect. Na yirindori. For that reason, no 500,000 kg bob. After all said and done, and nature 100,000 bob tanda. Upon now, the family go and they go. How to fear? No quick buonya. Ma according to them, na lebuni na Tiger Base. Who judge there?
Dear friends, the freedom that we are fighting for at this point in time, UN can never give us freedom. America can never give us freedom. No country in the world can give us this freedom. But we ourselves are the ones that will drag this freedom. And the way we are going about it at this point in time, the freedom is coming. But we need to take some other drastic steps. We need to build our security architecture. We need to give them a name. We need to give them a name. We need to call them their name in the open. ESN is our security. Biafran Defense Force are our soldiers, our ground soldiers, our army that are defending our land, our borders. So we must learn how to present them to the world, so that the world will know that we are serious. They already called us terrorists, but we are not terrorists. We are defending ourselves. The whole world knows that we are defending ourselves from their oppression. The whole world knows already that Nigerian government has declared its citizens to be wiped out from the surface of the earth or from their ancestral land. They have sold us to the Fulani. So we have to defend ourselves, defend our borders, and protect our families, our generation. So the Biafra that we are looking for is not going. Let me make it to be clear to everybody. UN and US can never give us Biafra, but we ourselves need to recognize ourselves as Biafrans. We need to stand on the mandate that Dr. Ngozi Arabeze and Mazi Simon has laid already. We need to stand on it, give more support on it, and push it to come true. Because Tinubu is not ready to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We are the ones that will pressure them to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And it's our activity that will make them to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They are waiting after election. After election, anybody that takes over will be afraid that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will still be a problem to his government, and they will not allow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to come out. That is just a fact. So that is to say that we need to fight and drag this freedom to ourselves and fight and defend our borders like the Somaliland people did. Somaliland people fought and declared their independence and defended themselves and started operating like a government up until Israeli government recognized them as a country. So that is what we need at this point in time, because Nigerian governments are not ready to do anything with us. Their plan already is to wipe us out of the surface of the earth, to wipe all indigenous people out of the surface of the earth in Nigeria. United Nations are not ready. All of them have they are doing underground support with Fulani herdsmen. That is why we can never see any hope from them. How America is following the activities of terrorism in Nigeria will show you that we don't have hope even in America. So, and they are ready to take us serious when we take what we are doing serious. So we need to work with what we have on ground at this point in time. It's only United States of Biafra that will make Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that will pressure Nigerian government to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and pressure international community to get their attention in what is happening in Biafra land.